Hi friends, welcome to Easy Cooking Cuisine, and today we are going to prepare veg shakshuka. For preparing this, we will need 2 tomatoes, 1 boiled potato, half a cup of capsicum, half a cup of onion, garlic, cheese, mayonnaise, chana flour and rice flour. For dry masala, we will need red chili powder, turmeric powder, dhania jeera powder, oregano, chili flakes, Italian seasoning and some salt to taste. Now we will cut the tomatoes and we'll grind this in a mixer bowl. Now these are our final ingredients. We will mash the potatoes with the hand and we'll make small dumplings of these potatoes.
So here we will take the potato, keep a cheese, a small piece of cheese inside this, and potato fillings are ready with the cheese, and now I am going to bake it in the preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius
For 20 minutes.
So now we will turn on the gas, add some oil, almost 1 tablespoon oil to this. Now we will add onions. Till the oil heats, we will add onions to this. And let it fry for a few minutes. So now as you can see, the onions are sauteed a bit, and now I am going to add the ginger garlic paste. It's roughly chopped ginger and garlic. 3 to 4 cloves of ginger I have taken, garlic I have taken, and half an inch of ginger. And now I am adding some capsicum to this. We can use of any colors of bell pepper we want. And now I will be adding the tomato puree. Let it cook for Meanwhile, we can see tomato puree. I have taken 2 tomatoes and made a puree out of this. In this, now I am going to add some seasoning, some salt to taste, almost 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of dhania jeera powder, and some amount of turmeric. Now this is almost done. I'm going to add some oregano, some chili flakes, very small amount as we have added the red chili powder already, and this is Italian seasoning. Now this is done, and I'm going to turn off the gas now. Take this out in the bowl. We know that this is usually made with the egg, and this is a bit tangy, so we may not like it because sugar is not added in this, and the tomatoes amount is more than the onion and capsicum. So we are going to prepare a paste of mayonnaise. In this I have taken the mayonnaise which I have prepared it at home and have frozen this. I am going to add some turmeric powder to give it a yellow color, and some chana flour to this. This is not roasted, but it's okay. We can use the unroasted one to give it a good binding. now picture and color. So we are now ready to garnish this. We'll keep it on the flame, it's very hot. Now we are going to garnish it with some mayonnaise on the top. Give it a fine, nice layer. Now we will add some chili flakes on the top of this and we'll add our potato dumplings. And serve this with some.
And now this is ready and we'll serve it with the bread toasted. I will really appreciate if you like, share and subscribe to my